Welcome to Video Creator, where today we explore the fascinating journey of industrial tapioca starch production, transforming simple roots into powder. All begins in the vast tropical fields, where cassava plants thrive under the sun, storing immense energy within their roots. Massive mechanical harvesters move across the landscape, efficiently pulling mature cassava roots from the earth without damaging the valuable crop. These tuberous roots are rich in starch, serving as the raw material for countless food and industrial products used globally. Heavy machinery loads tons of freshly harvested cassava onto waiting trucks, ensuring a continuous supply chain for the processing factory. The convoy of trucks travels from the rural farmlands to the industrial facility, carrying the harvest that powers this industry. Upon arrival at the factory, the trucks dump their heavy loads into large reception hoppers, starting the automated manufacturing process. Conveyor belts transport the raw roots towards the cleaning station, moving steadily to ensure a consistent flow into the system. First, a dry cleaning drum removes loose soil and sand, shaking the roots vigorously to prepare them for the washing flow. Powerful high-pressure water jets blast away stubborn dirt and impurities, leaving the cassava skins clean and ready for further inspection. A vibration system agitates the roots underwater, ensuring that rocks and heavy debris sink to the bottom and are removed. Advanced optical sensors scan every single root, instantly identifying and rejecting any defective pieces that do not meet quality standards. Friction rollers rotate against the roots, effectively peeling away the rough otter-brown skin to reveal the stark white flesh. The peeled cassava roots are now pristine and white, moving along the stainless steel belt towards the high-speed crushing section. To extract the starch, the cell walls must be broken down completely, requiring heavy-duty industrial raspers spinning at high velocity. Sharp blades pulverize the roots into a fine mash, releasing the starch granules that were trapped inside the plant cells. This process creates a thick slurry containing starch, fiber, and water, which now flows into the extraction and separation stage. Water is added to the mixture to help separate the starch milk from the fibrous pulp during the next filtration steps. Large centrifugal sieves spin the mixture rapidly, using centrifugal force to push the starch milk through screens while retaining fiber. The fibrous material is separated and sent elsewhere for animal feed, ensuring that no part of the cassava is wasted. The
This
remaining
sustainable
liquid,
waste
known as
management
starch
process
milk, still
converts the
contains
fibrous
proteins
pulp
and fine
directly
impurities
into
that must be
high-quality
removed
animal
for pure
feed.
whiteness. A multi-stage hydrocyclone system spins the liquid, using density differences to separate pure heavy starch from lighter proteins and water. Through this continuous washing process, the starch milk becomes increasingly concentrated and purified, reaching the highest level of industrial quality. Before drying, the concentrated milk goes through a peeler centrifuge to remove excess water, turning liquid into a wet cake. The result is a moist, white starch cake, now ready to face the intense heat of the flash drying system. The wet starch is fed into a massive flash dryer, where hot air currents instantly evaporate the remaining moisture content. Inside the dryer, the particles travel upward in a whirlwind of heat, drying within seconds to preserve the starch quality. At the top of the tower, a cyclone separator isolates the dry powder from the humid exhaust air, collecting a product. The hot powder passes through a cooling system to bring it to a stable temperature before it enters the sifter. Vibrating sieves filter the powder one last time, ensuring uniform particle size and removing any coarse clumps formed during drying. The final output is a silky, ultrafine white powder, demonstrating the incredible transformation from a rough root to pure starch. The finished powder is temporarily stored in large stainless steel silos, awaiting the automated packaging lines to begin their operation. Automatic bagging machines fill sacks with precise weight measurements, sealing them quickly to prevent any moisture or contaminants from entering. Rows of sealed bags travel down the conveyor belt, passing through metal detectors to ensure absolute safety for the consumer. At the end of the line, advanced robotic arms equipped with vacuum suction cups await the arriving bags of starch. These robots lift the heavy bags with ease, stacking them onto pallets in perfect geometric patterns for stability during transport. Once a pallet is full, an automatic wrapper secures the load with plastic film, protecting the goods during long shipments. Automated guided vehicles or forklifts pick up the wrapped pallets, moving them silently towards the massive high bay warehouse facility. The warehouse is a marvel of engineering, with shelves reaching high towards the ceiling, maximizing storage space for the factory. Automated cranes glide
From the
between the narrow
tapioca pearls
aisles,
to our
placing
hearty
pallets
soup and
into their
flaky
designated
pastries,
slots with
every
millimeter
item is
precision
crafted with
controlled
care
by
and the
computer
finest
system. When
ingredients.
orders arrive, the system retrieves the specific batches needed, ensuring a first-in, first-out inventory management flow for freshness. The pallets are brought to the loading docks, where they are carefully placed into shipping containers destined for international markets. These containers travel by sea and land, delivering essential tapioca starch to food, paper, and textile industries around the world. From your bubble tea pearls to thickening agents in soups, this versatile powder plays a hidden but vital role daily. Thank you for watching this industrial journey on Video Creator. Subscribe for more insights into how the world works. Goodbye.